Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a classic Indian sweet, Besan Barfi, rich, aromatic and melt in the mouth. Let's start the recipe. Sieve 2 cups gram flour. Gram flour is naturally gluten-free and packed with protein. In a pan, heat half cup ghee. Add besan and roast on low heat. Keep stirring until it turns aromatic and changes the color slightly. Always roast besan on low heat to avoid a raw taste. Stir continuously for even roasting. Keep stirring the besan to avoid burning. For sugar syrup, take 1 cup sugar and 1/3 cup water. Let it boil. Boil until it reaches one-string consistency. The one-string sugar syrup taste ensure perfect texture. Now add this prepared sugar syrup into the roasted besan. Mix well and cook until it separates from the pan. Do not overcook after adding sugar syrup or the barfi will harden. Add some soaked saffron strands. Mix well and cook until it separates from the pan. For a richer taste, you can add cardamom powder along with saffron. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil. Place a baking paper. Pour the mixture and set aside for 1 hour. Gram flour is rich in protein and fiber. Ghee provides healthy fats and energy. Saffron is known to boost mood and immunity. Homemade sweets are always healthier than store-bought ones. Add silver leaf on top and cut into pieces. Silver leaf called bark. It's a traditional garnish in Indian Mithai. Besan Barfi is one of the oldest sweets enjoyed during Diwali and festival. Your soft, flavorful Besan Barfi is ready, perfect for festival and celebration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more sweet recipes.